Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela ubak Frederick Roy Khargongor ulong bakat kum balasaki ni kipor baladap ke election Shella constituency kalong ke besuk basain bat bajajai nrai wat lakata kaladon ke jing pengor ba yaki khatwei tli ki jaka ki bakham don jingma namar baki dei ki jaka songkhle jat benriu habakran sikilat patai kubor menta kasngi ke sitrek urisau ubak Frederick ulong baladap ya song jing elang bat ki he pulit kumbalong mentah ke Shella kalong ke besuk basain nrai wat lakata ladon khatwei tli ki jaka bala ban mi ke huri hura kabar khapot ke India bat Bangladesh ki baya songkhle jat benriu CEO ulai thuru baka sorkar pedang kelapha si company ki pulit Crpf ban Pahara ke election Shella bat Kila don menta syakate kathan halor ke jingpen khanya ka an election CEO ulai thu baka deputy commissioner kala depan jubab nak tanat ka koit ke khia halor ke jing play ka center hapen thorba do menteri uba al hek dangshan nrai layo ke jubab ka bahun bat ki wei pat ki jing ujor bodon nomi khmat bakular ban sam jing no senyang ha ka wei ka school malapan ru ke jing pensai ha ka balayo ke jubab halor kani kajing elap election ha social media kam don e ka bakhang nrela dadon kajing keren persya ikiwe ki jaj benriu ya ka kam simet ne ka ktien klem akor ka an gan trekam Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela ulong ruba ka sen ke beningkong ka tanat election kala persang ban pendon kam dikitiar baya dai perlok bat kamariang bat ban sange na ka pendon kam plastik
security aspect jong Shella nagaliang jong suka sign ding in the pai shiki por balale Shella ka always constituency ka belong peaceful abam dan ka don no jingthot ni wala kataru ila shong meeting but ki he police authorities but naliang jongga center kila I one company of CAPF but kita ki company ru kila apoi hapo Shella but kila long deployed then ngila don kuma pratli gini ki SSTs ini ki static surveillance teams bikon antabre kila don ru ga review abre bat kane ga security situation but ki ngila ada identify ki vulnerable areas ki critical areas te kumangi ki dan kumba kharwei tli ki polling station ki bron khap border ajan ga Bangladesh border ajan ga border fencing but gitoru ki area ki bron mixed population te ngila identify ki vulnerable polling stations but ki board subdivision ru ki kila long prepared when deploy ki forces Karkum ka jingdon kam full for the environment te ngiru naliang jong ka election department ngina prakhat ba agane ka election ngini persang ya ka first green election through this by election of Shella kata jimun kari arbenta aga benta ka kong ngani bangina kaliang election department ngini kentu but ngini persang ba bagi polling parties jongi kini penkam yaki non plastic products te kin penenkam dagi tiar tenrai mo ki set ki gain ki jute products but one interesting thing is that seed pen to kolom seed pen bangi khon tau du kolom bodon gini ki sembai te long lengbao no not it may be a small thing but it has a loud message but again because ki officials ki balik ru ki sungtho ba kan la kur ka election ru unu pen chubo un la kin la da penun kamru ikitik samba ki na unthong udu plantable pen te ka message chunga eco friendly but utaw kholom ru udu made of recyclable paper te akajo ko por nimut ban ai unu seat pen ya ki poll volunteers ru mingile in the last parliamentary election ngidan ki poll volunteers ki bayarap ikitu ki baduna document yaki anna te mentah ganti bereng hajo ko por kini promote accessible election mara hajo ko por kinong kita green volunteers ki ban pensung tho yaki bawan vote ki ban pensaphyang ya kata ko bor jong go green nang no ga election ko bolong eco friendly dia ki model polling stations jong iru ni persang bagindong ki eco friendly polling station ki balai lagi ni ki tiar plastik bara jo ko por ki ba promote iba penslor ya ka environment te kumungi te la shai gre ga October 2nd mo gre ga koshis pa sang muslim jong ga singha jong Mahatma Gandhi but baro ga India hi baro goi ki ni celebrate ya kita ki eco friendly te gre ga jing persang ga boret na leng jong ga election department ba ngiru ni join hands with the rest of the country and promote ya ka eco friendly polling station eco-friendly practices